welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine. Please excuse my voice, I'm just getting over a virus, but I wanted to film this beautiful look here for you. It's for my 40th birthday. Yes, I am 40. I'm getting old, oh my goodness. But I wanted to film this tutorial for you and also get a request out because a few of you did request that I do a look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Palette. It's so beautiful. So this is a look that I came up with. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've already primed my eye with LA Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut. And then I'm going to be going into the Sultry Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and taking the shadow Birch. And I'm going to place that in my transition area. And this brush is the MAC 217. And this color kind of shows up a little ashy on me. So if I had to do this look again, I probably wouldn't use this color at all. But because I want both of my eyes to match, I have to use it right. And then I'm going to take the shadow Bloom and place it in my transition area. And then I'm going to take this gorgeous chocolate brown, I think it's called Dystopian, and I'm just going to place it in this area right here with my MAC 224 brush. This is like my favorite brush in the whole wide world. I love it. I'm just going to place it on my outer V. And then I'm going to take my Inglot Gel Eyeliner in number 94 and I'm just going to do like a half cut crease. I'm going to use my trusty paintbrush by Michaels. It is the Princeton Artiste in number 8. And I have wicked hooded lids, so this is always a challenge for me. And I'm gonna go into the palette and grab rose quartz. It's like a beautiful rose gold. I'm just gonna apply that on top of the Inglot liner with an eyeshadow brush. I don't even know what brush this is. It's super old. And I would advise not to do your foundation first like I did, but because there is fallout, but just pat it to eliminate as much as you can. And I'm going to go back in to grab Dystopian again because you see how it looks a little bit harsh, so we're just going to blend that out. So it should be like seamless. They should look like they're running into one another. And I'm going to grab Noir just to deepen out my outer V some more. Gotta have a little bit of drama for my birthday. And for my brow bone highlight, I'm gonna use NYX's Dayclub Ibiza. I'm just gonna take it on a little e.l.f. brush. My eyeliner is by NYC. It's my favorite liquid liner to use. I'm like dreadful at putting eyeliner on camera, so excuse me. So now for the sparkle, I found this in my makeup drawer. I don't even know where I got it from, maybe eBay or something, but it's like a gold pigment. So I'm just gonna place a little bit like right here, not too much, but I need a little bit of sparkle, right? And to do so, I'm going to use this duo adhesive. It's the brush on one. This one is the best to apply your glitter. Trust me, if you use this, your glitter is not gonna move. But you wanna work in sections because it dries pretty fast. So I'm just gonna dab some just in the center. I'm gonna use this here Mobilia brush. I always use it for my glitters. And I'm just gonna dab. So my lashes are from Aliexpress and they're the D388s and they look like this. So I look a mess. I have like pigment all over my face and everything. So I'm gonna fix my face and I'll be back with the finished look. So that was the finished look. I just want to show you my lip combo because I'm really loving it. It's MAC's Whirl. And I topped it off with MAC's Lipglass in Love Child. It's so pretty, look. Great combination. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll definitely answer them for you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. If you like this tutorial, lovelies, give me a thumbs up and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.